sure you're gonna be good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take one.
Take one. Yeah.
Hello there. Welcome to the very first episode of Minnesota Mother Mary. I'm Minnesota Mother Mary, and today this episode is coming to you straight from Angel's Landing. Would you look at that? Now, much thanks. So, now what we are going to focus on today is snow safety. Now, as you know, Minnesota, we get lots of snow, don't you know? So, and you gotta be safe. For example, just last week, Ollie and Lena, they were in a car and they hit some black ice and well, they spun out, don't you know, and they ended in the ditch. And well, we just can't have that happening. So, one thing that you gotta do in the snow, the first thing is you gotta be aware of your surroundings, don't you know? So yeah, you betcha. So you gotta wear the proper gear. You will have to wear your hat covering your ears. You gotta wear mittens. Now, mittens are better than gloves because your fingers are friends, so they need to be together in a mitten. And you got to wear snow pants and you got to wear boots because the boots are best for the snow. So let's see. Another big tip of snow safety is just take it slow out there. If you go too fast, you might slip. If you're driving on the roads, you might spin out a little bit. And so you just got to take it slow. But the biggest thing about snow safety is to just have fun. Because if you have fun in the snow and you love the snow, well, that snow's just gonna love you back, don't you know? So those are my big tips for snow safety. This has been great. I'm just so happy to be here with you today. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye now.